Hello, my name is Kamruddin. I am a motivational author and a motivational trainer. Today I am going to discuss about Pomodoro technique. When we get up in morning, we have got lot of things to do. We have to see so many places, we have to see so many persons, and we have to interact with so many persons. So life becomes very busy, and for the whole day we are busy. We do not get rest. Even if we live 1,000 years, we won't be able to do our work in our life. We have to be selective. Life is too important to be wasted on trivial. To start with, make a comprehensive list of work to be done by brainstorming. Write down all the things you have to do. Then set priorities and fix time for completing that activity. Only then we will be able to perform our work. Priority is must if we have to do so many things. We have to do things in order of importance. There is a Pomodoro technique. Decide what you have to do. Decide 3 important things you want to do in that particular day. If work is big, divide it into doable chunks, and it should be able to be completed in 25 minutes. So take up one chunk, complete it in 25 minutes, then take rest of 5 minutes. When one chunk is complete, after taking rest of 5 minutes, you can start another chunk. This way you should complete 4 chunks in one sitting. 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 5 minutes. And you should plan in such a manner that there should not be any distraction during these 5 minutes, either from outside or from inside. You should carry a pad with yourself. If you remember something to be done, you can note it down in that page, that pad, and make sure that your work is continued during 25 minutes. Timer is required for this technique. Set your timer for 25 minutes. Then set timer for 5 minutes of rest. During these 5 minutes, you should not take up any important work. You should use it for rest and for evaluation of work you have done in 25 minutes. When you have completed 4 chunks, you should take a bigger break, say of 1 hour, and you should plan this bigger break in advance. You can utilize it for quality time with your family members, for meditation, for enjoyment, for taking rest. So these things you should keep in your mind. So this technique is called Pomodoro technique, and the chunk is called Pomodoro or Pomodori. If it is plural, it is called Pomodori. So this type of working is beneficial, and more work will be performed, less time will be wasted. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.